You only have one problem, and it could be the same one that I have. And that one problem is not accepting your authentic self. Now, we never know what that's going to become when we come into the world, but when it shows up, you have to own it. And I haven't done that. Mine was very different, but I have to start owning it now. I just did a post, a page that I created on my blog said, I'm rebuilding my life because I have to acknowledge that I downloaded information that could change anyone's life and change our world. I was able to see exactly what was happening in our world from an energetic standpoint and use it over 37 years to transform my life. And I'm 75 now, but I was waiting for other people to believe it. And because of that, I couldn't believe it. And then I kept making more problems in my life. And so I'm changing that now because I know that any person, the only difficulty that you have is not understanding who you are, not understanding your life path, not moving through any generational blockages, not using the cognitive sciences to be able to change your life. And I was given all of that, and it's organized with the changes of the universe. So it's energetically aligned. And that's why it works for any person. And there's no way that anyone could fail. And I just had to come on tonight and say that before I keep creating more problems for myself. I I struggle to see people knowing that they don't have to struggle because I knew I had the answers for their life. And saying that was just too outrageous, or having someone try to believe it was just so difficult. But I absolutely know that it's true. To discover that you have been given this information, I'm a savant and have been doing this for so long. But because no one has ever seen it before, including me, I couldn't say it. And that's what was creating problems. And I'm changing that now. So I hope you change yours as well, because that is our only problem. I will see you soon.